Time to meet the starters for both teams. For Letran, bit of a shake-up for Coach Alan Ricardo. UC makes a start today alongside Gwen Salida, Santos, Kamad, and of course our assist leader Titing Manalili on the other side. It is Coach Nani Pundulan staying put with this lineup. Still no Justin Lozano, so they'll be led by their team captain Sean Argente and the one who hit the game winner in the previous game, Ivan Panapanan. Our referees, Hector Villanueva, Garchi Ferrer, and Alan Manzano. JRU often, they want to get to hot starts.
JRU Heavy Bombers yung running game. Dito sila nabubuhay.
Pero ang kailangan pigilan ng JRU kontra Letran, si Titing Manalili. Afterwards, they answered everybody with 5 straight wins. How? Herrera knocking it down from the outside.
Big adjusted si Jinboy sa Estrada sa atake. So ngayon, nag-iba na ngayon.
And 20 seconds left in the first frame.
Mark, si Estrada sa 2 position. Talagang kamador din.
They go to Jimboy on the right side. Estrada smothered by Herrera. Short stab is good for Kevin Santos.
Martin, bihira yun ha. Bihira mangyari yun. Pero dito, nakapag-convert siya.
Oh, nabitawan ni Herrera. Here's Benitez underneath.
That's Benitez.
Minutes for Coach Allen, especially in key games. And here he is. Down low off the spin scoop and the hoop for Gwen Salida.
Kung yung Gwen Salida, chances are foul na lang ang gagawin mo.
Nice turn.
Oo. Talagang marami tayo ngayon dito sa NCAA na mga
Coach Nani Pundulan. Most especially defensively.
Yeah, grabe yung defensahan din.
Floater is good for Panapanan. Jimboy banks it in. That's a special. 10 on the 24. Bounce pass. Benitez nakawala.
Good read.
Jay Garupil. Sarmiento is now in the game. They rotate to Lorenaria. Alan skies for the baseline drive. Oh, quickly the other way though goes Jimboy Estrada. Mamaya, sana mag-perform sila. Salvador swishes his first shot against the Arellano Chiefs. 2 out of 5 from long range. Jimboy, mid-range jumper is good. And he draws the foul.
Jimboy Estrada. Pero ngayon, nowadays, hindi lang pumoposte. Big man, pinoposte rin kahit small guy.
Ito yung 3 puntos ni Sean Salvador. Again, it's Jimboy Estrada providing the answers.
1-2-2 nila, magsishift sa zone, magsishift sa man. Confusing din kung guardia ka
Ito. Agaw ni Kevin Santos. Santos to MDO.
Ba?
Leading to that Omega basket. Mid-range J is good. Money shot for Kevin Santos.
Kumuha ng rebound. Makita mo, nakatukod yung isang kamay. Tapos tinap out niya.
Oh, Manalili takes it straight to the cup. Let's see how they'll play this one out. He draws the foul.
Some speed, isang dribble, isang take-off. Ayun na. This coach, lagi tumitingin siya for the instruction at saka sa mga plays niya, ginagay niya sa mga ano.
Oh, Mark Denver Omega against Letran. But towards the end of the first quarter, bumulusok ang Letran Knights to a 12-0 run. They were led by Jimboy Estrada with 7 points off the bench. Line is Rosilio pulling the trigger. Rosilio knocks it down.
Makita mo talaga, in-isolate talaga. Halos 4 tira ng winning basket.
That's the dry spell being experienced right now by JRU from the field. Almost 5 minutes without a field goal, ended by that 3 from Sean Argente. And this is JRU running the other way. Lorenaria, difficulty with his dribbling. Argente, Letran completes the steal. Estrada stops, takes, and hits, and we have a foul underneath.
Yes, pisikalan talaga yung loob. Expect na talagang hindi papakawalan ng bola basta-basta.
Look at the scramble here, Letran really putting on the pressure on this young JRU team. Jimboy taking care of business from expected scorer this year, but he hasn't transitioned well. His game from the juniors division hasn't translated well so far as Argente nails the step back three. He has all. Jimboy crossover. Jumper is good. Right over Alan Lorenaria. Off the spin. A familiar spin move. Doesn't hit the shot though. Estrada comes away with it and puts it up and in off the glass and the foul.
Nakita mo ang value ng Jimboy Estrada sa'yo. Hindi lang scorer, tumutulong pa sa rebounding.
It's been a Jimboy Estrada-led first half for the Letran Knights, and he adds on to his total. 13 points already for that young man. Ngayon, may Jun Roque pa sila. The fadeaway by Jimboy. Coach, pero dito, I think he's just in his head. Medyo nag-overthink pa siya doon sa mga tira niya as Omega. 12 na ang abante ng Letran, their biggest so far. That was deflected, and it is Jun Roque laying it up and in. I thought that was going to be a jam. 12 ang abante ng Letran. Manalili to the cutting Kevin Santos. They spray it to the corner. Roque high off the backboard, but Santos will collect the basketball. 3 to shoot. Roque steps into it. Roque knocks it down.
And also it's a good hustle coming from.
After a bad miss from the corner, Salvador gets away, and he draws the foul in the process.
Now it's a screen and screen up action galing sa baseline inbound.
Uy! Napiyayaan ni Manalili. Now with his 6-point, and he also has 7 assists.
Kasi kailangan si Omega dito sa game na to.
He is their second leading scorer with 7 points, and he has pulled down 5 rebounds. 4-second difference between the shot and the game clock. Quahao, extra pass. Santos, easy lay.
Ganda.
Panapanaan tracks it down. Garupel off the hop, and he draws another foul.
Pag airborne na, pa-atake na, papunta na ng basket. Wala na.
Nagsasacrifice.
Oo.
So in order to lead this game, we have to give them something more unexpected. Pasigaw na tanong ni Coach Nani sa Heavy Bombers, tara na, uuwi na ba tayo? At sagot ng players, hindi pwede, Coach. Back to you guys.
Thanks for squeezing in the pass. This is rejected by Santos. Argente off the back. It's good.
Binomba pa. Sean Argente, no?
And he saved the day for JRU in that possession.
Very, very comfortable itong si Coach Allen dito sa lineup niya na malalaki.
Oh, ito. Kevin Santos from the free throw line again. The shot. Celorio lays it up and in.
Grabing 3-man wave yun.
They're just exchanging baskets with Letran. No look pass, and then the extra feed to Cyrex Celorio. Too strong. Ball is tapped to Argente. Sean on the move. Lorenaria, bumomba, and he scores on the break.
Kailangan maglaro itong bata na to. Kailangan po.
For Alan Lorenaria. But it's been a while since his last one. Oh, Kevin Santos throws it down.
Sigurado, meron na siyang nakitang iba.
Uy, bagsak si Garupel. Quahao is ahead. They have the numbers. Estrada with the easy deuce. This is Letran in their scary form. Herrera from the top of the key. He drops in a long bomb. Yeah, Buensalida is back in the game. Nat Montesillo in for the first time. Jimboy rattles home the mid-range jumper. We got 75 seconds left in the third quarter. Montesillo, pocket pass, push shot. Harry Herrera. Herrera got to the paint. How about the confidence of Herrera? Lorenaria up and under. Oh, nice move.
Gandang step through yun.
And JRU with much needed points to end the third quarter. How about this? Against a big guy in AJ Buensalida. Went by him to get this shot to go. Sitwasyon.
Talagang kailangan iwasan mo yan hanggat maaari, hanggat yung control nasa iyo pa.
And we open up quickly.
Is always at the right place, right time.
And this is Alan Lorenaria, coach.
Yes.
Kasi labanan to ng posisyonan sa ating team standings. As Teo Quahao gets the steal and the score on the other end. Basket. His second one off the ball game. Agaw na naman ng Letran. Forward pass and Manalini is gone.
Galing nila bumangkit. No?
70-57 is the tally. Letran continues to roll. Eto na, nakaposte ulit yung buweng salida. Rivers drops in. Slowly closing for JRU. They gotta move quickly here. Garupil up and in. Jay Garupil. Eto na si Kevin Santos. Santos off 2 jabs. Money on the
Ayaw pa rin talaga niya mag-quit.
corner pass. Roque. Oh, bangs it home. That's hard to do, coach.
Quite open and late.
Jude Roque. Montesilio sends it out. Quahao got it. That's a three-pointer for Deo Quahao. Garupil from the corner knocks down the triple. Signs of life from ball is tapped out. Garupil pushes. Lorenaria straight to the cup. 11-point game.
Sa transition defense sila, coming from a turnover.
Santos buries the in from the field for Kevin Santos today and Alan Lorenaria. At dito nakakatulong yung pag-deploy ni Coach Allen and reps throughout the season para Letran on the other hand. It's
Yes.
not like it's a mismatch.
Correct.
Diba?
Yes. Ito itong mangyayari.
Montesilio out of position in the end game, but this time it was dominance from the very beginning for the Letran Knights.